Hi, I'm Vanessa from the creative team and I'm here to answer your most frequently asked questions. Today, we're going to talk about sales. The benefits of a FabFitFun membership don't stop at the box. We have 3 different types of sales throughout the year where you can get your favorite products at an amazing discount. The first is add-ons. This is where you can add items to your box to make it even better. And this happens at the same time as you customize your box. You can choose from categories like beauty, fitness, fashion, home, and more. So treat yourself and get in on these add-ons. And if you shop within your window, your add-ons will ship with your box. Since FabFitFun partners with a new charity every season, add-ons is where you can donate. So you can do a little bit of shopping, you can do a little bit of donating, treat yourself, and treat others. Our second sale comes in between seasons, which is our edit sale. In this sale, you can also find tons of products for up to 70% off. The difference is these items don't ship with your box, so you do pay shipping and handling. And the edit sale is the perfect time to stock up on your favorite products in between boxes and discover new brands that you'll love. The last sale is a theme sale. This sale is full of highly curated products from any theme that we find inspiring. For example, the World of Kate sale, which feature brands like Kate Somerville and Kate Spade. These sales come at different times of the year, so keep an eye on your inbox to see what the next one will be. And also join our community to hear about the latest news first. We hope this video is helpful. Let us know what you think in the comments, and thank you for being a part of our community. We'll see you next time.